How can your spouse react to your divorce case? After one spouse files for divorce, the other can either file responsive documents with the court or choose to let the case proceed by default. The first responsive paper is often called, unsurprisingly, a response or answer. The court may require other documents with the response. For example, a cover sheet or financial disclosure form. The question now is, how to work toward an agreement. You're going to have to sit down and figure out what the issues are and then engage in some give and take until you resolve them. You can do this in a few different ways. The first way: face-to-face negotiation. You and your spouse could sit down together over the kitchen table and identify the issues that need resolving and then resolve them. This is, obviously, the least expensive way of reaching agreement. However, for some people it's also the most difficult, because it means making decisions about very emotional issues with the person from whom you are trying to separate emotionally, without any buffer between you. The second way: negotiation with the help of a family member or friend. If you think that you and your spouse are likely to be able to agree on most issues, but you might benefit from that buffer of having another person present, you could ask a mutual friend or a family member to sit in with you. This person could be the recorder, writing down agreements as you come to them, and could help you stay on track with your agenda. It's a pretty hard job for the average person, and you'll need to make sure that whoever you ask is someone with whom you and your spouse feel equally comfortable, and who will feel comfortable in the role. Whatever you do, don't pick someone who's likely to insert a lot of their own opinions into the process. The third way: mediation. Mediation is a process in which a trained, neutral third party, the mediator, sits down with you and your spouse and helps you reach agreement about the issues involved in your divorce. Mediation gives you the best possible chance of an outcome that both you and your spouse can live with. It also supports the possibility of an ongoing, cooperative relationship with your spouse. Something that will have a positive lifelong effect on your children. So now, how to finalize your divorce case. If you've filed for divorce, submitted all the required forms and information to the court, finished your negotiations with your spouse, and prepared a marital settlement agreement, congratulations! You are almost there. You should discuss all the paperwork needed to finalize your divorce case either with your lawyer or with the court clerk. You can read our full guide on how your spouse can react to your divorce case on yourkidsdivorce.com, and thank you for watching.